Hi there, welcome to our channel, and if you want to retrieve deleted text message on Samsung S25, then this video is for you. First, make sure you are using Samsung Galaxy S25 default messaging application. If you are using this messages application that are associated with Google, that are actually Google's messaging software, then there is no way to retrieve deleted text message. But in Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's default messaging application will allow you to retrieve or recover the deleted text message or conversation. So you can just tap on OK to set it as a default SMS apps on your device. So set the application as a default. Now here you'll just need to tap on this three dot button. From here you'll find crash option, where you will find the conversation that you have just deleted from your messaging section. Then you can just tap on it, and here you will find restore button, and if you restore it, then it will restore the conversation on your text messages from your text message. That's how you can just simply retrieve deleted text messages or conversation. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.